Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you're all doing good. I just want to take a quick 2 minutes of your time to talk about a brand new automation tool called Katalon Studio. It's gaining its popularity in a short span of time in the last 1 year. So let's look at some of its offerings or services and to understand why it's important. So if you predominantly look at the current industry, what we need a simple, easy to use, not much of a programming, a web test automation tool. And we have a major area of mobile testing on Android and iOS where automation is required. Web services is another area where automation is key or very important. And just not about automation, putting all of that into a framework structure related to a data-driven test, keyword-driven framework, or very popularly that most of the Selenium people experienced is something called page object model. So all these along with a simple recording and playback and in a simple programming of Groovy, or if you're already familiar with Java, so using any of these two languages, you can start coding in an experienced way because most of the things comes out of the box. And apart from all these simple ways to do the automation, we have integration with QuickTest, one of the popular test management tool or test case management tool. And we have integration with Jira, the application lifecycle management tool. And it's also if you wanted to take your automation scripts in a scheduled way in a pipeline along with your continuous integration and continuous deployment, it is still possible by integrating with Jenkins. And all that with simple, easy to use UI, not even any of the programming that you need to really know to call any of these APIs and make a integration. And the another area is like database testing is very popular again. So apart from this, they are building, it's on the beta, something called Katalon Analytics, which is based on the previous execution of the reports. You can analyze the data, be it related to the pass fail criteria, be it related to the performance related information, if it's simple to analyze charts and graphs, etc. So it's gaining its momentum. A lot of companies have already started using it, and people kind of know Selenium or UFT, feeling much easier to switch back to this Catalan recorder. So that's all for now. See you all for the next demo session that we have. So please feel free to reach out to learn at iTeLearn.com for more details on this. Thank you.